And we are from the Northwest Recreational Center. And today we're gonna make colored sand.
So for colored sand, you'll need paper, salt, food coloring, cups, and spoons.
Okay, so what you'll do is you'll get some salt and put it in your cup. Yeah, that's about a perfect amount right there.
Then you'll get your food coloring, whatever color of your choice. And you'll put a couple of drops into the salt.
Okay, mine's taking forever to come out, but it's coming.
Oh, this is Henderson. Once you have your food coloring and your salt, you'll start to mix it. And it might take a little while for the color to start to show up. But then you'll start to see it'll change color. And from there you can go ahead and put it in a jar and like make a pattern with it with how many other colors you have. Or you can make a pattern with glue and put the salt on the paper.
Thank you. Put my face in. And that's how you make colored sand. This is how you make colored sand, and thanks for watching. Bye.